Welcome to Cafe Dinono's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I make my grandma's spinach, and we have the spinach here, olive oil, and then we're gonna use pine nuts, diced shallot, and then we're gonna use also golden raisins, salt and pepper to taste. And let's start it. Let's just gonna make our grandma's spinach now. Let's just turn on our stove to high heat. So now we're gonna put our olive oil. So first thing we're gonna put in the pan is our pine nuts, just to make sure it gets toasted. They could easily get toast. So now we're gonna add our diced shallot. We're gonna add our golden raisins too. Let's just turn on our stove to medium heat now. Okay, so now we're gonna add our spinach. We're gonna add some black pepper. Okay, some salt. Okay, and we don't want our spinach to get overcooked. Any vegetables. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.